The town centre, very well preserved, is characterized by the typical stone constructions which develop in height. The cobble streets are narrow, typical of areas where the means of locomotion and transport was the horse. The town is rich in water springs. Inside it, the spring of Sucantaru is famous. The Sardinian term is taken from the Arabic that means source, water spring. Another important source of water found along the road towards Alghero is called Su Paradiso. Other sulfurous thermal springs are found around its territory, as it is an area of volcanic origin. Very well known for this is the imposing and spectacular Mount Minerva, an ancient extinguished volcanic trunk, which rises close to the Monteleone Rocca Doria, from which historically comes the new town of Villanova, Vidanoa de Monteleone. The views of half of Sardinia that can be seen from this town towards Alghero Sassari and Bonorva are breathtaking. Of great naturalistic interest are the 14 kilometers of uncontaminated coast where it is still possible to observe the gliding flight of the griffon vulture. The great Federico Fellini shot a few of the scenes from this film La Bibbia in the valley of the source of the river Temo, south side of the areas of Potu Fritu and Rio de Campos. The sheep cheese is the continuity with the past of an art, which has found the perfect conditions in these areas to produce high-quality products.